guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to make an Indian street food from the east of India that's called jhalmuri. Jhalmuri is very close to bhel puri but with a twist. And we are going to make a katori jhalmuri today. So let's get started. The ingredients for this recipe are puffed rice or murmura, also known as fulia. Then we need little bit of lime juice or lemon juice, maybe 1 to 1.5 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon or 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 green chilies cut into tiny pieces. We have the roasted cumin 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of the Himalayan pink salt or the kala namak. We have some cilantro, 1 tomato chopped, 2 small cucumbers or 1 large cucumber chopped, some sprouts that are pre-boiled for about 2 minutes, pre-boiled and chopped potatoes and chopped onions, that's just half an onion, and we also need some mustard oil to make this jhalmuri. We also need some Indian savory with peanuts, also known as mixture, and papad, any kind of papad. So the reason it's called jhalmuri is because we use a lot of green chilies that's spicy, so that's called the jhal. And the first thing that we need to do is to make a katori out of these papads, and we're going to use this small tiny steel bowl or a katori to make the katori papad. So we are going to roast this papad in the microwave, or you can also roast them on the tawa or any pan. And let's get started. We need to roast this papad for about 20 seconds in the microwave. We take it out immediately and make a katori, or just wrap it around this small steel bowl very carefully so we don't break the papad, and make a small shell out of it. And we are going to roast another one now. And it's still warm, so just make a small katori out of it immediately. So we have these katoris ready, and now we are going to make the jhalmuri. So the first thing that we add are the onions, the potatoes, the sprouts, cucumber, tomatoes, green chilies, cilantro, chaat masala, red chili powder, kala namak or the pink salt, the normal salt, roasted cumin powder, lime juice 1 or 2 teaspoons, the Indian mixture with peanuts, and the mustard oil. We don't add the whole thing, so just mix it up well. Mix the whole thing really well. The only difference between jhalmuri and the regular bhel puri is the mustard oil, which gives a very different flavor, a little bitter, a little unique flavor. So it's all mixed well now, and let's put it in these katoris. like these, like this. Yes. So the jhalmuri is now ready. You can also make smaller shells or cups with these papads if you use a smaller papad. And I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. If you enjoyed watching this video, do like, subscribe and also comment on Payal's recipe. And thanks for watching this video. Till next time, bye-bye.